In this video, we're going to see how to check one or more checkboxes inside the checkbox field using logic. As you can see in this page, I have a button here called UIOnly, and when I click on it, only a certain checkboxes are checked. Let's see how we can achieve this using Graphite Studio. When I go into Graphite Studio and look at the enumeration, I have two properties here. I'm going to add a third property now called type of type text. And here I'm going to set CSS and JS to UI and other two to a different type. In this case, I'm using the word logic. Back in the view, I'm going to add a new button. I'm going to call this button UIOnly button. I'm going to set its title as UIOnly save. I'm going to add behavior. I'm not going to choose form to submit for this particular button because I'm not really using any of the values in these submitted fields to build my logic. I click on add behavior, which creates the OnClick UIOnly button, and as you can see, that none of these fields are submitted. The first step in this OnClick is going to use the data lookup shape to load the UIOnly skills. I double click on the data lookup shape. I want to find a list of skills. Call it UI skills, and my criteria, I'm going to use type that I just created to fetch the UIOnly skills. Once I had the criteria, I'm going to set the sort order based on the display order property. Click OK. The next shape I'm going to use is the create shape to create an empty list of choices. That's pretty straightforward. I'm going to call this skill choices. I'm going to make that a list. I'm initializing an empty list. I'm going to use the repeat shape to loop through each one of those UI skills and create a choice for each one. Item in UI skills. Call the loop variable UI skill in context. Click OK. In the loop, I'm going to use a create shape to create a choice. We'll call it UI skill choice. And as you can see in one of the previous videos, pretty easy to set these entries. And IsChecked is going to be set to yes, because I want these skills to be checked. The name is going to be the whole skill enumeration. Click OK. I'm going to now use the list management shape to add UI skill choice to skill choices. The page instructions that I have to use in order to update that checkbox field is called BuildReplaceElement. CheckboxField provides us a behavior called BuildReplaceElement that will take these choices that we've created and build a checkbox field element, which we will use in the page instruction. Let me show you how I do that. I add a run behavior. I call BuildReplaceElements in checkbox field. It takes the skill choices as input, and it's going to return this list of view elements which the page instruction will use. Now, I'm going to finally add the page instruction, and it's a content page instruction. Its replace element, the container, is going to be skills field. And the view elements are what was returned by the behavior we add just called above. Click OK. That's the end of our behavior. Let's go add the translation for the button. Let's build, purge previous builds, build, let's update the database before we test our page. Database has been updated. Let's refresh our page. As you can see, when I click UI only, the choices are checked. One thing you can notice is if all four are checked, and if I push UI only, it will actually uncheck the other checkboxes. Behind these two, we have logic in the onChange to show or hide these field sets. And when you push the UI only button, only these are checked, and these are unchecked. So the right thing would be in the OnClick of this button to hide these two field sets. Let's do that, and that will be the last step for this video. Let's go back to OnClick UI only button. Add one page instruction to hide those two field sets. Display, slide the PHP field set first, and then the Python field set. Click OK. Let's go to do a build. Let's refresh our page. Let's have PHP and Python checked, and see what happens when I push UI only. Once again, click PHP. I click UI only, and you can see how those field sets are hidden.